Okay, what happens if string args is not written in main method? When main method is written without string args as public static void main, the code will compile, but JVM cannot run the code because it cannot recognize the main method as the method from where it should start execution of the Java program. Remember, JVM always looks for the main method with string type array as parameter. So we need string args in public method. Okay, next, what is the difference between float and double? Float can represent up to 7 digits accurately after decimal point, whereas double can represent up to 15 digits accurately after decimal point. What is a Unicode system? Unicode system is an encoding standard that provides a unique number for every character, no matter what the platform, program or language is. Unicode uses 2 bytes to represent a single character. How are positive and negative numbers represented internally? Positive numbers are represented in binary using ones, complement notation, and negative numbers are represented by using twos, complement notation. What is the difference between greater than, double greater than, and triple greater than? Both bitwise right shift operator double greater than and bitwise zero fill right shift operator triple greater than are used to shift the bits towards right. The difference is that double greater than will protect the sign bit, whereas the triple greater than operator will not protect the sign bit. It always fills 0 in the sign bit. What are control statements? Control statements are the statements which alter the flow of execution and provide better control to the program on the flow of execution. They are useful to write better and complex programs. Out of do while and while, which loop is efficient? In a do while loop, the statements are executed without testing the condition the first time. From the second time only condition is observed. This means that the programmer does not have control right from the beginning of its execution. In a while loop, the condition is tested from the beginning itself, from the first, and then only statements are executed. This means it provides better control right from the beginning, and while loop is more efficient than the do while loop. What is a collection? A collection represents a group of elements like integer, values or objects. Okay. Collections are arrays and Java util classes, stack, linked list, etc., vector and etc. The collection called as the collection. Why goto statements are not available in Java? Goto statements lead to confusion for a programmer, especially in a large program. If several goto statements are used, the programmer would be perplexed while understanding the flow from where to where the control is jumping. That's why goto statements are eliminated from the Java program. What is the difference between return and system.exit 0? Return statement used inside the method to come out of it. From the method to come out of the method, we use return statement. System.exit 0 is used any method to come out of the program. System.exit 0 is used from any method to come out of the program. What is the difference between system.out.exit 0 and system.exit 1? System.exit 0 terminates the program normally, whereas system.exit 1 terminates the program because of some error encountered in the program.